We are working in Word Multi-Project 2. Currently we're on the Games project. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and find the Our Mission statement. Put your cursor below that heading. We're going to go to the Insert tab because it's asking us to insert the motto doc, which is a Word document. Insert, text group, object dropdown. And because it's a Word document, we can select text from file. If it was an Excel sheet or something else, you would want to click Object. From here, we'll want to find our GMetrix folder, and we're looking for motto. And then over here are file types. We'll click Insert. Notice it populates down here what was in that file. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to add the trademark sign immediately after Game Shop. So we'll go ahead and put our cursor here right after the title. We'll click Insert tab, go all the way to the right underneath the symbols group. We'll click the symbols drop down, more symbols, special characters, and we have the trademark. Now you can double click here or you can click insert. Just be careful not to click it too many times because it will just keep inserting that symbol. Click insert, click close, mark completed. Task 3 says merge all cells in the more of our popular games. So we're going to merge all of these cells, so we'll go ahead and select it all. We'll go to the Layout tab. Again, because we've selected a table, we get special tabs at the top. Table Tools, Layout, Merge Cells, it all becomes one. Click Mark Completed. Now it's asking us to convert these lines right here, this list of games, and it's asking us to continue the numbering. So let's go ahead and add numbering to it. We're on the Home tab, Paragraph Group, click Number. Now it says 1 through 5, but we want to continue from this list up here. So if you see this little quick thing, you can use this to continue numbering, or if you don't, select those numbers, right click, and then click Continue Numbering. Mark Completed. And then this is probably the most difficult part of this project, is we're going to remove this blue background from the picture. So with the picture selected, we get those special tabs we've talked about so many times. We're going to click the Format one, Remove Background, and we're going to use our cursor to actually extend out. We'll move these little dots so we can see more of it. But we're going to click Mark Areas to Keep, and we'll select different parts of this controller as close as we can to the edge. And we'll click along the controller cord. One more. And then we'll click Keep Changes. And notice it removed the background from the image. Click Mark Completed.